No.
So, yeah.
This somewhere is a Bedford CA, what year?
1957 split screen.
1957 split screen with an engine that sees solid. There's a man over there doing it. Been standing a while, as you can see. The body is, what's the word I'm looking for?
Pretty solid apart from the roof.
Desperate. It was a Dormobile, but because of all those parts are missing, it is now going to become a very nice van. I know. Should be restored as a Dormobile, but it ain't never going to happen because somebody's welded the roof up. They've lost all the windows, so we shall see. To be continued, as they say.